Hey guys, I'm here at the Villas at Taylor Glen, which is a new community by D.R. Horton in Colerain Township. If you're thinking about moving to Cincinnati, this is definitely a place to check out. They have some awesome new townhomes, and today I'm going to walk you through their model home, which is the Pearson floor plan. Real quick, my name is Evan Richardson, and if you're new here, I help people just like you move to Cincinnati. Whether you're looking to move in 6 days, 60 days, or even 6 months, I would love to help you out. My information's on the screen, or you can also click the link in the description to book a call with me. I'd love to answer any questions you may have. And without further ado, let's get into it. guys, that was the tour of the Pearson floor plan here at the villas at Taylor Glen. Just to recap, it is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath. It does come with a 1-car garage. The reason I wasn't able to show that is because where the garage is in the model home, they actually use that as an office. But just so you know, it does come with a 1-car garage as well. The square footage on this plan, the Pearson floor plan, is 1,418 square feet. It is 2 stories, as you saw, with all 3 bedrooms being upstairs, along with the washer and the dryer upstairs as well. And real quick, I'm looking at a sheet here. The prices do vary by lot. They have 6 lots available right now. 1 was sold, so they have 6 available, and they're building more. You can see, so there's plenty to be built. So this is fairly new, but the lots that are available, they range in price from $287,900 all the way to $299,900. So you're looking at roughly $300,000 for these townhomes here. I just wanted to put that in there before I go. If you have any more questions, please comment below or shoot me a message, call, text, whatever is easiest for you, and I'll make sure to respond promptly. One last thing that I just thought of, there is an HOA fee. It's $125, I believe. It does not cover snow removal, but it does cover, they're gonna mow your lawn, they'll do like the edging, and they will do mulching once in the spring and then again in the summer if it's needed. So I just want to let you guys know that. Again, if you guys have any questions at all, do not hesitate to reach out. I would love to help you out. And please comment below what video you would like to see next. Thanks.